Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to run HTML code in Cursor AI. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now here on the left, you see my HTML code, and let's say we want to run it. Okay, so here at the top menu bar, you see run next to the terminal. So you can click on that and you can start debugging or run without debugging. You can press Ctrl F5 for shortcut. Okay, it will open up here the option how you can do that. So you can web app, Chrome, Edge, more Node.js, or install an extension for HTML. So let's say select Chrome and it will open up right here. Just a moment, just like that. Now we have here this web site, just like that. Okay, the second thing is how we can do that is basically if we right click here and then we can go to folder. So open reveal in file explorer, like that. It will open up here, and now you can just double click on that and it will open you basically the same thing. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next